Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to wind your Invicta Pro Diver automatic watch. Now if you're new to the channel guys, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as we post weekly videos with watches, watch tutorials, a lot of vintage watches that are for sale on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. So since this is a diver, you have a protection here, so you have a screw down back and a screw down crown. This will protect you from water, moisture, and other stuff. So you need to rotate it counterclockwise, so to the left, until the crown pops out. Just like that. And then in this position, you will be able to wind the watch. Now, before winding the watch, make sure to set the time to the correct time, and you need to pull the crown to the second position. So the first position is for setting the date, and the second position is for setting the time. After you have set the time, simply push the crown back, and now when it is pushed, you simply wind the watch. So you do that by rotating it clockwise, so to the right. And as you can see, the watch already started moving. So this particular model has the Seiko NH35 Movement. That means that this is an automatic movement, and as you can see here on the back, it has a rotor, and as you move your wrist, this rotor actually winds the watch. But you won't be able to get a fully winded watch with just the movement of your wrist. So you need to also wind it manually. And you can do this around 20-30 times depending on the watch and how old is it. For example, on vintage watches, you might start to feel a little bit of resistance faster. So that is most likely because the watch needs a little bit of service. After you have winded for about 20-30 times in total, you need to put the crown back in its initial position. So you need to screw it back in. This time we will push and rotate to the right, so clockwise. So once again, we push and rotate to the right, and you can already see that the crown is going towards the case. Okay, so you can keep on going, and you can see that now it's all the way screwed down, and this means that you can now go inside water or in the pool with this watch because you are protected by this screw down crown. So that was the video guys. This is how you wind your Invicta Pro Diver automatic watch. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.